Dear students, let's we learn from our main course book, chapter 10 about kitchen, subject ES. This chapter about kitchens. So students, look at the page number 63 in your books and color that space which have dotted indents. And what do you see? In after coloring, you see frying pan, pot, serving spoon, spatula, cooker, frying ladle, roasting pan, non-stick pan. These all in that picture. Now, what are utensils made of? Utensils made of steel, copper, brass, aluminium, bronze, iron, glass, mud and clay. So dear students, to ensure that our body gets the energy it requires, it is necessary to eat food. We make food by cooking grains, pulses and various vegetables. We can eat some food item raw and some food item by cooked. There are various ways of cooking food. For example, roasting, baking, frying, steaming, shallow frying or boiling. Now we use various types of utensils for cooking. And after chula, gas stove, kerosene and coal stoves, solar cooker, these all are used for cooking food. We use wood, cow dung cakes, kerosene, etc. or electricity, coal, these all as fuel for cooking. We use steel, copper, bronze, aluminium and mud utensils to cook food. So dear students, we already learned what are utensils made of. Utensils are made of from copper, steel, brass, aluminium, bronze, iron, glass, mud and clay. Now students, open your page number 64, think and tell. In that, which things do we cook before eating and which things do we eat raw? Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? Here, things that are eaten raw, that is carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, fruits and onions. These things are eaten raw. And the next one, things that are eaten cooked. Rice, pulses, khichdi, bhakri, roti, these all things are eaten cooked. And things that are eaten both raw and cooked. We eat both by raw or cooked. That is cabbage, carrot, onion, tomato and radish. These things are eaten both by cooked and by raw. And have you ever seen a chapati made being in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flours in a utensils, kneading it into a dough and making small balls of the dough. Then after rolling out its ball and then cooked it on fire. After so much efforts, the chapati reached your plates. These all are the steps, and here are what are the names of two things cooked by each of these methods: by roasting, by boiling, by frying, by baking. हमने अभी कौन सा पढ़ा? रोटी. रोटी हम कैसे करते हैं? रोस्ट, बाय रोस्टिंग, भाकरी एंड रोटी. These two things we roast by boiling soup and potatoes, by frying puri, samosa, by baking cake and handwa. And nowadays, which fuel is used to cook in your house? A gas stove and a gas cylinder used for cooking in my house. Now open your page number 66. There are some picture in your books and we have to match with it. First chula, first picture chula. Chula, in chula we use wood and cow dung cakes. So match chula with wood and cow dung cakes. And second picture is coal stove. In coal stove we use coal, then coal stove match with coal. Then after third picture, gas stove in we use gas, so match with it. Then after 4, solar cooker, in solar cooker we use sunlight, match with it. And then after primus means a stove, we use kerosene, primus with kerosene. Then after electric hot plate, in electric hot plate we use electricity, so electric hot plate match with electricity. Now in your next page number 67, there are some methods which are the other things you can prepare without cooking. In your book already given lemon water, we have to write or we have to do 2 methods all. Then first one, fruit dish. How we make fruit dish? First dice various fruits, then after add salt, sugar and chaat masala, then after mix all the things well and the fruit dish is ready. Now the next one, lassi. How we make lassi? First take 1 cup curds, then after add sugar on it, then after add small ice cubes, then blend in a mixer and the lassi is ready. So this was all in this chapter. Now students, continue chapter number 11, our vehicles. Vehicles. In ancient time, horses, camels, bullock carts, horse cart, camel carts, etc. were used for travelling from one place to another. And with the advent of science and technology and the invention of the wheels, the steam rollers and the automobile, various vehicles have been developed. Therefore, in the present time, truck, railways, airplanes and helicopter, steamer, metro trains, etc. to travel from one place to another place. And travel on water is possible with the help of raft, boats and steamers. And the air and the space travel is possible only with the invention of the aircraft, the helicopters, the rocket and the space shuttle respectively. And there are 4 types of transport in Gujarat: roadways, airways, railways and waterways. 4 types of transport. And since India is a country of village, roadways are the most important modes of travel. Railways are useful for quick and cheap travel as well as for ferrying goods from one place to another. There are great trading opportunity available through the sea coasts or the sea routes of Gujarat. In high mountains area where railways or roadways are not possible, ropeways have been built. To ensure that a sick person gets immediate treatment, ambulances are available, and if a fire breaks out at any place, the fire brigade reach the place as soon as they can with their fire engines. Now in this chapter, the poem the train we will recite. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the chugging train, blow a whistle and take your seats. On two soldiers, if you please, forward, backward, backward, forward. But in a line, don't run outward, stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, stop, stops, all the station say. All the children play what? Train games. And on road of iron, we move to and fro. Here some the lights and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past staging farmers, temples, mills. Past village wells and a lush ever green field with broken walls and a potato fields. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, stop, stops, all the train say, and smoky clouds, fairy and crowds, fairs, riders on mares, flocks of birds, cluttered herds, and bridges and paths, dhobi ghats, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, stop, stops, all the station way. Now in this chapter, here are some questions. How do you like the poem? The children playing train games. Do you like this? I think the poem is very beautiful. On reading the poem, I felt as if I am sitting in a train. He likes the poem. We like the poem. It is very beautiful, and on reading this poem, we feel we are sitting in a train. Second one, can a train move anywhere? Why? Can move a train anywhere? No, a train cannot move anywhere. Since it travels only on rail tracks, it can go only where rail tracks are laid. Only in rail tracks a train can move. And what is meant by rods of iron? Rods of iron means the rail track on which a train moves. It is meant by the rail tracks on which a train moves. Which places did the train pass by? Which places? The train passed the following places: potato fields, sandy deserts, millet fields, green meadows, a temple, houses, a tea shop, a hill, a bridge, a path, puddles of water, hut, bushes, farms, wells, gardens and parks, a dhobi ghat, a small bazaar, village fairs, etc. Now students, open your page number 70, read and understand. Some children go out of a station, some go nearby, whereas some go far. Some of them are going by bus, train or aeroplane. Journey can be done in many ways. In first picture, a girl said, I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from railway station to his house in a bus. But this time, It was great fun. We went by the train which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know that cars were running on the road above the tunnels. A girl said that we are going to Delhi by train. First in earlier times they go through by a bus, but this time she went by a train. And second picture, a boy, he said, it was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a great time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine, he came from so far but reached in a one day. And Bua looks very beautiful when he was going in a here palanquin. Palanquin means palki, and that boy say it was my Bua's weddings. He had a great fun with eating, drinking and playing, and his bhaiya means brother come from America in an aeroplane. And third picture, a girl said, I went to my nanny's home in Kerala where she lives. There is water everywhere. From the station we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. That girl said we went our nanny house in Kerala where she lives and there is water everywhere. Girl said she felt a little strange, but they had a great fun. And the next picture, a boy said we went to Simla during the vacations. Vacation में कहाँ गए? Simla. The bus moves on the zigzag roads on high mountains. That bus goes on the zigzag roads, and it was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distance in Simla. My daddy would get tired very quickly. We would make her rides on a horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. Now the next one, a girl, my Masi lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my cycles or bicycles and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a rickshaw to go to Nani's house. And the last one, a boy went to my Mamaji's village. From the railway station there is no bus going to his village, so we went in a bullock carts. We crossed lush green fields on the way to the village. I loved the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. Now here one question. Which all vehicles did the children travel in? Which vehicles that the children travel? Bus, metro train, car, boat, airplane, horse, cycle, pedal rickshaw, bullock carts and palanquin.